for Carnival this year on Capital Extra. I mean, we do every year, but I just think we all need some fun, that just good energy, good vibes, that. And so we have a lot of really exciting stuff planned. We're going to have like mixed shows from Raz Kwame, Shayna Marie, breakfast. So Rob and Shayna in the morning are going to have like a Carnival house band and some dancers. And you know today is a Hip Hop Friday. Well, next Friday, we're going to rebrand it Carnival Friday. And it's going to be really, really fun. So I definitely want you to make sure you're here on Capital Extra. Just be here like you always are. This is Capital Extra.
Extra.
Most homes could save with Octopus Energy.
I'm glad to be part of your company now. I've heard about it and then people coming out on the radio and saying about it. It sounded genuine.
We're really glad to have you as well.
Octopus Energy. Outstanding value with award-winning customer service. Visit octopus.energy/value for our calculation.
Hi all.
How are we doing?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Let's get this meeting
Started.
Come on.
When everyone's home, EE Work Mode prioritizes your broadband for working from home with faster speeds in more places across the UK than anyone else. So,
Yeah. I've got you loud and clear. Clear as a bell.
this is broadband made for working from home. Search EE Broadband, powered by BT.
Work mode with EE Smart Hub Plus. To verify, see ee.co.uk/claims.
Go fast or go home. Or with Virgin Media, go lightning fast at home. Be unstoppable with reliable Wi-Fi gliding through every room or £100 back. So why go fast when you can go lightning fast on our reliable network? Virgin Media. See what you can do. Visit virginmedia.com. 30 megabits per second download speeds in every room or £100 one-off credit. Terms apply. See virginmedia.com/Wi-Fi-max.
Who the busy people who rise and fall but see it through. Those who got through another day, breaking through problems along the way. Here's a moment for you. Rain up showers to boost your mood. Enjoy a moment of solitude. Lavender and water lily to calm and soothe. A blissful moment for only you. When the day is almost through, let your shower relax you. Don't just get ready, feel Radox ready.
Praise your palate. Take it higher with a fryer. Serenade your senses until everything makes sense again. The mini fillet snack box. From $2.99 for a crispy mini fillet and fries. Give in to finger licking. Believe in deals, believe in chicken. KFC. Subject to availability, prices may vary. Participating restaurants only. See website for full T's and C's.
Mufasa, you know you sold the car, right?
What?
You know you sold the car, right? Just sold my car. Do we buy any car?
Find out how much your car's worth in 30 seconds. Enter your reg number now at WeBuyAnyCar.com. Admin fee may apply. For more information, visit WeBuyAnyCar.com/info.
Got the need for speed? At TalkTalk, you can go faster for less. Our full fibre 150 is now the same price as full fibre 65. So speed up on the UK's most reliable broadband technology without paying a penny more. Search TalkTalk Full Fibre. TalkTalk for everyone. Terms apply. See talktalk.co.uk for more details. Subject to local availability. And it's 28th of August 2024.
Fancy a mini cheddar? They don't get cheddar than this.
Surely the greatest cheese snack ever.
They might well be.
Or give us another one.
No, you're better buy your own.
That's not very mature.
Mini cheddars, baked with real cheese.
Most homes would save with Octopus Energy. Outstanding value with award-winning customer service. Visit octopus.energy/value for our calculation.
This is Capital Extra.
She looked at me and said, you's a baby, right? I told her, I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. I can be all three, plus I can lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing, like boy your game is tight. I'm laughing back like sure you're right. Get in the car, and don't touch nothing, sit in the car. Let's discuss something, either we loving or I see you tomorrow. Now we speeding up the west side, and creeping up our left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to boom, ready for dome. 55th exit, damn, I'm ready. We
Olórí burúkú ni mama dáhùn lóhùn. Ọkọ níṣẹ́. Glamour company. And they have to pay for a lot of parking for those.
Well, some they have caravan side, so
yeah, but
rent for them. So
some of them have got it booked for the year or something.
Yeah, like a time
monthly.
Yeah, monthly yearly. Yeah, like a timeshare. Yeah. After their time is up, somebody else has paid for it.
You can't go me, you're These are high traffic patrol.
I was saying this, I was like,
Yeah, it's just so
too hard this weekend because next weekend is the big one, innit? And I was like, actually, don't listen to me. It's summer 24. Like,
And you know they have all different, they can't go further to certain distance because another one take over from another junction.
Yeah, it's like a county.
Yeah.
should be good.
But they can arrest normal police.
Start going Capital X.
Really? Look at that, is Steven in the room. Okay, you know, Akola Jimon. Happy Friday.